Hello, I'm Stephen Barnes, owner of Norwest Luxury Appliances and Grills. Today we're going to talk about Dacor Professional Series ranges. We're going to start off with a 48-inch Dacor Professional Series range, though they do come in 30, 36, and 48-inch sizes. They make two different styles of ranges in different configurations, including all gas and dual fuel ranges. Dual fuel ranges are ranges that, as this range here, offers a gas cooktop surface and an electric oven. There are some advantages to that design. It runs cooler in your kitchen. Great benefit here in our Houston environment where we get long summers and very hot. The other advantage to them is they come with self-cleaning ovens. A lot of the gas ranges do not come with that. The dual fuel ones invariably do come with self-cleaning ovens. There are two different series of ranges available in the Dacor Professional Series. One is the contemporary, one is the transitional. While they are very similar, there are some differences between the two. The transitional has a different knob design and also more stainless on the front of the doors. It gives you more of that traditional look. The contemporary has a little more black glass, a little less stainless on the doors to give you a little bit more modern look to it. Some other differences: the back of the range on the contemporary series is completely blanked and sealed off. A little cleaner look, especially in an island installation. The transitional has vents at the back of the range like every other Professional Series range. One other differences are in the ovens. While you have a steam oven in the smaller oven on the contemporary model, on the transitional, you have steam assist with a reservoir for the water in the main oven. The Dacor cooktop surface here is available in a couple of different configurations. They offer it with 6 burners and a griddle, and the configuration we see here, which is 6 burners spread out over the 48 inches. There are some advantages to each design and some cons to each. The 6 burner and the griddle give you a lot of cooking area to do a lot of things, but it's a little crowded. So if you have large pots and pans, everything may not fit on there, and that is the advantage to the 6 burner, by far our most popular configuration. You can get an accessory griddle which will fit onto the burners. It's designed to go over the 2 center burners because they are the same size, to allow you to use that as a griddle, and it's removable, nice and easy cleaning. A lot of them are made into place and they are not easy to clean. The burners on the range are what is called a dual stack burner. That means you can go from a very low simmer to a very high output. We've actually seen this used where you put a paper plate with chocolate morsels on it. It will melt the chocolate morsels and never scorch the paper plate. That means you can keep things warm without continuing to cook it, which is a great benefit. It also boils very, very hot. You'll never want for more heat on this range. Another advantage that the Dacor comes with on this is it comes with both the black and the very pretty brass caps. So you have your choice and you can switch them out whenever you want. They do look beautiful. The Dacor controls offer some unique features here. Beautifully crafted knobs, which are backlit, and that's a wonderful thing. If you leave them on, forget you've left them on, from across the room you can actually visually tell that you have, so you can go turn those things off. The oven display has some pretty unique features as well. It lights up very well. It also tilts up at a 45-degree angle so you can see it without having to bend down to look at it. You can select from several different modes here: bake, boil, convection, all the normal features you'll find in one of these Professional Series style ranges. It's got a few other things as well. They have a chef mode, which has some recipes that you can use, and it tells you which burners and what temperatures and what to do, and it'll walk you right through everything that you need to do. That's a pretty cool feature itself. So you have a lot of different oven modes and cooking modes on this range. You have pure convection, convection bake, convection boil, convection roast, and it can be very confusing, but it's pretty much self-descriptive. What convection does is it circulates hot air so you get good, even cooking throughout the whole oven. In fact, this is one of the most even cooking ovens on the market. The difference between the different modes is there are multiple elements in this oven, and it brings on different elements to optimize the cooking for the type of food that you're doing. The ovens on the Dacor Professional Series ranges have some unique and interesting features. First thing you'll notice is the oven door. It has a soft close feature so that when you close it, it does not slam. The racks in the oven offer full extension ball bearing glide so that if you have a heavy turkey or roast, you don't have to reach all the way inside to pull that thing out. You just lift up right from here. They also have a feature you can't see from here, but it has mesh filters in the back unique to them. Advantage to that is if you're cooking something with odors, fish or onions, it doesn't transfer odors from those foods to your other foods like your rolls. So your rolls don't taste like fish when you get done. They still taste like rolls. It is the most even cooking oven on the market. Advantage to that is if you're cooking 3 sheets of cookies at the same time, side to side, top to bottom, and front to back, they will all come out at the same time, perfectly even. The 48-inch ranges have 2 ovens. Advantage to that is you can cook foods at 2 completely different temperatures at the same time. The second oven on the Dacor range, on this series model, has a unique feature. It also has steam capability. It has a reservoir that you add water to, and you can use this as a fully functional steam oven or as a traditional convection oven. This is Stephen Barnes. Come see us at 4618 Randwick Drive. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions about this video, leave comments at the bottom. Thank you.